If you want to lose weight, please do not skip the video. Watch the complete video for effective implementation. The fastest way to lose weight is to burn more calories than you consume. The idea is not to hurt yourself but to adopt good habits. And be patient. I will tell you the list of easy things you can do that will answer your question of how to lose weight fast at home. Before starting, please do subscribe to the video so that you cannot miss future updates. The number 1 is eating a balanced diet. Does working out matter if you're not eating right? You're working hard to burn off calories at your workouts, but it's hard to burn off a bad diet. So, try to replace normal carbohydrates with complex ones. Simple carbohydrates, or sugars, are made up of shorter chains of molecules and are quicker to digest than complex carbohydrates. Take complex carbohydrates and high-fiber products like oats, brown rice, etc., which will make you feel full even with small servings and doesn't spike up your insulin level. Unsaturated fat remains the healthiest type of fat. Take unsaturated fats like oils from vegetables, nuts, and seeds, such as sunflower, rapeseed, olive, walnut, and corn oil. Proteins are essential. Eating a protein-rich diet can help people lose weight because it can help them avoid overeating. It will make you feel fuller for a longer time. Number 2. Reduce sugar intake drastically if you can't completely avoid. To lose weight faster, the first awareness is that 90% of everything that you eat contains sugar, which increases your sugar intake. For example, the can of Coke that you pick up during lunch, or the pasta that you eat for dinner, or even the cereals that you have for breakfast, contains large amounts of sugar and you don't even realize it. So next time when you head to the grocery store is to check the sugar contents on the pack, and the next step is to consciously avoid your regular high sugar items. Number 3. Drink green tea. Has emerged as one of the best health drinks that are out there. Several studies have shown that the massive range of antioxidants that green tea contains helps burn fat and boosts metabolism, plus it comes packed with fewer calories. Right after breakfast and lunch is a good time to have it because your metabolism rate is at the highest. Number 4. Use whey proteins. Whey protein is highly satiating and keeps you feeling full longer. Due to this, it saves one from hunger pangs and eating unhealthy snacks. Due to this, it has proven to help in weight and fat loss. Whey protein shifts your calories requirement from high-carb and high-fat food to a lean protein source, which helps in maintaining a balanced diet. Whey protein is not only meant for people who do a heavy workout. It's advised for meeting daily protein need, even for people with mild activity levels. Number 5 is eliminating junk food. Eliminating junk food can significantly reduce the number of calories you consume each day. Junk food has no nutritional value and does more harm than good. Considering how tempting it is, follow a gradual process of quitting. If you still crave, then try to make them at home with low-calorie ingredients. Number 6. Drink lemon and honey water every morning. Right after you wake up every morning, drink a cup of honey and lemon in hot water. It's not much effort but a very, very effective method that helps in weight management. Lemon honey drink increases metabolism. Number 7. Drink water instead of beverages. Water is naturally calorie-free. Make the habit of drinking water whenever you're thirsty instead of your regular juices and beverages that contain high calories and sugar. If you like the video, do not forget to share and like the video and subscribe to the channel.